Today's video is Chapter 5, Lesson 4. We've already started 5-4 in class, so this is Part 2. We're still solving one-step inequalities, but this time we're solving them either by multiplying or by dividing. All right, let's look at these examples. The examples on the left side, I wrote equal signs. The examples on the right, I used alligator mouths. So if we look at this old example, we know how to do this. 4x equals negative 16. We would sing the song, divide by 4, cross out what's my answer, x is equal to negative 4. We're going to do the same thing with this alligator mouth. Divide by 4, cross out what's my answer. It's just that we're going to use an alligator mouth with our final answer and say x is everything, every number possible that is equal to negative 4 or greater than negative 4. Anytime we do inequalities, we have to come over here and do a number line. So I have my negative 4, give me some neighbors, like negative 5 and negative 3. This alligator mouth means it's a colored in dot, closed dot, and it's going to color to the right because we want numbers that are greater than negative 4. Okay, let's look at these yellow examples. X divided by 2 is equal to 6. So if that was an equal sign, old kind of a question, we would sing the song times by 2, cross out what's my answer, x is equal to 12. 6 times 2 is 12. We do the same steps here. We multiply by 2, cross out what's my answer. It's just that this time x is every number smaller than 12. This is exactly 12 and only 12. This means everything less than or smaller than 12. Inequalities always need a number line to show the answer. So give me a 12, give me a neighbor, 11 and 13. This kind of alligator mouth is an open dot. Numbers that are smaller than 12 go to the left, less than 12. All right, you try this question by yourself. 6x is greater than negative 96. Solve it and type in the answer. Did you type in x is greater than negative 16? Now I want you to describe to me what would the number line look like. Use words like open dot, closed dot, left, or right. Did you say open dot right? We want an open dot at negative 16, and these are all numbers greater than negative 16. Greater than is on the right. Here's the next question I'd like you to try. When you type it in, there is no symbol for this, so you're going to have to type them in separately on the keyboard. So what is x divided by 9 less than or equal to 3? Go. Did you say x is less than or equal to 27? Times by 9, cross out what's my answer. It's going to end up being a closed dot going left at 27 because they are all numbers smaller than 27. All right, let's look at these 4 examples. They all have 4s and 8s. They're all going to be dividing, and they're going to be some sort of a 2. What is different about these guys than these guys? Well, what's different is that the coefficient is a negative 4. Up here, the coefficient is a positive 4. When you have a coefficient that is negative, there's something weird we have to do. So we're going to divide by negative 4. That's normal. Nothing weird yet. Divide by negative 4. Everything is great. I have x, and I've got a negative 2. I've got x, and I've got a positive 2. Nothing weird yet. Here's where the weird comes in. I have to switch the alligator mouth from less than to greater than. I have to switch the alligator mouth from less than to greater than. But when I go up here and I divide by 4, I don't switch. Nothing about these top two get switched. I I have x and I have 2. I have x and I have -2. But because this coefficient was positive, this stays normal, less than, less than. Because this coefficient has nothing to do with the 8, all we're looking at is the coefficient. If the coefficient is positive, no switching, he stays less than. The switching ones are when you sing the song, multiply or divide by a negative. It's all about the step, the song. What are you doing to both sides? What number are you getting rid of? If you get rid of a negative number by multiplying or dividing, nothing about adding and subtracting. So what we did on the last lesson, there was no switching. But if you sing the song, multiply or divide by a negative, this goes the other direction. Whatever it starts as, it's now going to be the opposite. All right, let's look at these 4. I'm going to be singing the song with trying to get rid of either the 2 or the -2. I'm going to sing the song times by +2 on these guys. I'm going to sing the song times by -2 on these guys. These are the ones where the alligator mouth will switch because the song is multiplying by a negative. It has nothing to do with if the 5 is negative. We only zone in and care about if the 2 is negative. So times by 2, no switching. X is greater than or equal to 10, just like we thought that it was going to be. Nothing switches. Over here, x is greater than or equal to -10. Because this guy is positive, but my stuff in green, not switching. Stays greater than, it was greater than, stays greater than. However, down here, my song is times by -2. I'm now going to switch the alligator mouth. The alligator mouth was a greater than, now he's a less than. Over here, I'm singing the song times by -2, so it's a switch. X is less than or equal to 10. If the song is positive, if the song is negative, either multiply or divide, that's when we switch. All right, for your next set of questions, I want you to type in which of these 5 are going to be ones that you switch the alligator, the direction of the alligator. So maybe you're going to switch 1, 2, and 4. So you type in 1, 2, and 4. Maybe you're switching 2, 3, and 5. Type in those numbers. Maybe you're switching 1 and 5. Type in those numbers. Just type in the numbers. Which numbers do you switch? Which numbers is switching yes? The answer was 3 and 5. 3 switches because we're dividing by -3. 5 switches because we're multiplying by -8. 3 and 5 were the ones whose answers would switch when we're done. All right, solve this one. Type in your answer. Answer is x is less than or equal to -7. This was a switching one, so you had to change it from greater than to less than. And now I'm going to graph it, give me some neighbors. It's a closed in dot, and we're coloring left. Less than is left. All right, let's look at these questions. What do you notice about these? Well, you should notice that the x is on the right-hand side, which is not my favorite because students make mistakes. So we are going to switch the letter to the left because we want the letter on the left because it just makes it better. So I'm going to write 3x on the left, 18 on the right. I'm going to write -4x on the left, -24 on the right. Now remember, if it's eating the 18, it's still got to be eating the 18. If it's eating yum, 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 the -4x, it's still got to be eating the -4x. Then I come down here and I solve. I'm dividing by 3. X is less than 6. I'm dividing by -4. Oh, wait. This is a switch again. Sometimes we have to switch twice. Why are we switching again? Because we're dividing by a negative number. Over here, we did not divide. Purple stuff was not negative. Purple stuff is negative, so I've got to divide by negative, which means I switch again. So now it's less than or equal to, and it will end up being a positive 6. So sometimes you have to switch because we want to, just because we want to. And sometimes you have to switch again. Well, really, we're switching the sign of the alligator. We're switching again because we're forced into it. Here's your final question of the video. Solve this one. 40 is less than or equal to negative 10x. The answer is x is less than or equal to negative 4. Color to the left. Close dot, color left. All right, that's the end of your video. There's no Google Classroom questions because you answered the questions as we went through the video.